In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the parent of a subtask in Jira. If you work in agile teams, keeping subtasks connected to the right parent story is really important. When a feature changes direction or work gets reassigned, an old parent-child link can throw off progress tracking, reporting, and sprint visibility. The good news is that Jira makes this process simple once you know where to look. To get started, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Atlassian cloud site. After your dashboard loads, head into the project where your issue lives and open the specific subtask you want to move. Make sure you are opening the subtask itself, not just viewing it from the board so you can access the full issue details. Once the subtask is open, look to the upper right area of the issue view. You'll see the More Actions menu shown as the three-dot icon. Click that to open the issue options. This menu gives you access to several issue management tools, and the one we need here is the option called Change Parent. Select Change Parent to begin the reassignment. This opens the Parent Change dialog, where Jira lets you search for the new story or parent issue you want this subtask to belong to. Click into the field labeled New Parent Issue. If you know the exact issue key, you can type it in directly. If not, you can search using keywords from the issue summary and choose the correct result from the list. Once you've confirmed the right destination, click Change Parent to apply the update. There's also a faster shortcut if you're moving quickly through multiple issues. At the top of the subtask screen, near the current parent reference, you may see a small drop-down chevron next to the existing parent. Click that chevron, then type or choose the new parent issue from the inline selector. Press enter, and Jira will immediately reassign the subtask without interrupting your flow. After the change is complete, take a moment to verify everything. Open the new parent story and scroll down to the subtasks section. Confirm that the moved subtask now appears there correctly. It's also a good idea to quickly check that the assignee labels and status still look right after the move. This final review helps ensure your issue hierarchy is clean and your team's tracking stays accurate. That's it. You've successfully moved a subtask to a new parent in Jira. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.